Welcome to the Explainer. If you're out there trying to navigate the downright chaotic Phoenix real estate market, well, you are definitely in the right place. Today, we're taking a close look at 1750 West Union Hills Drive, Unit 23, to really unpack what makes a property truly move-in ready. Okay, let's dive into this.
So, are you looking for the perfect move-in ready home? I know, it sounds simple enough, right? But if you're a first-time buyer or you've got a growing family, you already know the struggle. Finding a spot that offers real stability and community without handing you a massive, exhausting to-do list the exact second you get the keys, it's tough. You want a home where you can just live. You don't want a second job managing stressful renovations. And that exact pain point is why the property we're unpacking today is just such a great case study. Our spatial tour starts right at the perimeter. Deer Valley Estates is a gated community, which is absolutely crucial. This means immediate security, profound peace of mind, and way left through traffic. Whether you've got little ones learning to ride their bikes, or you honestly just value a quiet, safe environment after a long day at work, this physical barrier is a huge lifestyle upgrade. It sets a really peaceful tone before your tires even hit the driveway. Moving up to the house, the exterior serves up that classic Arizona aesthetic. We're talking a durable tile roof and totally fresh paint on the stucco. And let me tell you, that crosses a major long-term maintenance headache off your list right out of the gate. Plus, you've got that two-car garage, which, let's be real, is an absolute necessity for protecting your vehicles from the intense Phoenix sun and saving you from a ton of wear and tear over the years. Let's move to and see how this builds. Inside, the home offers 1,547 square feet of living space, and it really acts like a smart, functional map for your daily life. You've got 3 nicely separated bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The layout does a fantastic job of zoning the loud, communal living areas away from the private, quiet retreat spaces upstairs. It's just a highly functional use of square footage that totally gets a growing family's rhythm. You got connection when you want it and privacy when you really need it. Stepping further in, we hit what I like to call the emotional core of the house. Look at this large kitchen. You've got stainless steel appliances and rich wood cabinetry, and it flows completely seamlessly right into a bright living space with these gorgeous vaulted ceilings. It creates this airy atmosphere that completely changes how you use the home. Picture this. You're prepping dinner in the kitchen, but you're still totally engaged with your family or your friends hanging out in the living room. It's seamless. The property details actually describe this layout perfectly. They say it creates the perfect setting for both everyday living and meaningful gatherings. Hit the nail on the head, right? Because it's not just about the storage space in those cabinets or having shiny appliances. It's about having this warm, inviting center of the house where shared meals, birthday celebrations, and those quiet Sunday morning coffees just happen naturally. It genuinely feels like a place built for belonging. Okay, moving upstairs to the private quarters, the comfort just keeps going. These bedrooms are generously sized, with amazing natural light filtering in through high-quality plantation blinds. It really gives off a relaxing, private retreat vibe. And that comfortable feel carries directly into the primary bathroom. Check out that massive vanity counter space. Seriously, it's a layout designed to make that chaotic morning rush just a little bit easier to handle. Now, living in Phoenix is all about enjoying the climate, and this place gives you 2 distinct ways to do exactly that. First, you have your own private covered patio. It's super low maintenance, giving you a shaded outdoor retreat without forcing you to spend your whole weekend mowing some massive lawn. But when it is time to cool off, you've got full access to the stunning community pool and spa. So you get all the luxurious perks of a pool, 0 of the expensive, time-consuming upkeep, and a great spot to meet the neighbors. Win-win. All right, the aesthetics are fantastic, but the mechanics, even better. The current owners have already tackled the massive, big-ticket investments, so you don't have to. We are talking about a brand new roof, a newly installed HVAC unit, complete with a digital thermostat to efficiently handle that fierce desert heat, totally fresh paint inside and out, and they're even throwing in the washer and dryer. This fundamentally shifts your 5-year financial trajectory. By wiping out these deferred maintenance items, this place gives you immense financial stability and peace of mind from day one. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is this number right here, $375,000. In the current Phoenix market, securing a home in a gated community packed with major structural upgrades at this specific price point, that is a highly accessible entry into homeownership. It takes all the aesthetic and functional benefits we've been talking about and anchors them into a very solid economic reality. Let's break down exactly how this pencils out for you.
At a $375,000 asking price, you're looking at roughly $242 per square foot, which brings the estimated monthly payment to right around $2,252. And get this, the reported HOA fee is $105 a month. That overhead is exceptionally low for a gated community that maintains a pool and spa. Built in 2000 on a 2,860 square foot lot, these numbers prove this is a prime opportunity to own in a super desirable neighborhood without completely blowing up your long-term budget. So this brings us to one really important question. Are you ready to find a place to truly belong? We've looked at the security of the gates, the upgraded systems that are literally going to protect your wallet, and those wide open spaces designed for real connection. If this breakdown resonated with your goals, do not let this one pass you by. Look up MLS number 7029138 to check it out further. Thank you so much for hanging out and unpacking this property with me, and I will see you in the next explainer.